No more teasing. Let's go ahead and see what these look like. Oh. Hey, what up guys? Pabs Money Bags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. Today's shoe we have kind of seen already on the channel, or like half the shoe we have seen on the channel, if that makes sense at all. And with that said, today we have the Air Max 90/1 Hybrid. Once again, that's why I said we have seen it. Oh, give me a second. Okay, my bad. I just forgot to flip the screen on the DSLR, but like I was telling you, we have seen the unboxing for the Air Max 1 on the OG colorway. This one's actually the OG colorway as well. We have the Air Max 1 combined with the 90 on a hybrid on the OG colorway as well. I guess that's what I was trying to say. I got a little confused. The screen on the DSLR kind of messed me up. But anyway, so this one retails for $140, I think, just like the Air Max 1. But during 4th of July, I mean, there was this deal over at Concepts. They didn't send any stickers. I was waiting for stickers, man. Point is, Concepts had a 4th of July offer going on, and it was like 25%. I don't even know how much percent off was, but I know I got these for $105. They send them out with free shipping, which is pretty nice. Oh, my order. Oh, you don't want to see that. So I couldn't cop them at the time, and I checked on sneakers before recording the video, and they are sold out on Nike or on the sneakers app, whatever. But I will be having links for you guys in the description if you are interested in copying. What excites me most about these is how they got the leather upper, but then also the midsole is like the Air Max 90 midsole, my bad, and then the outsole, the bottom of the sole, whatever, it's the Air Max 1, which reminds me a lot of the Sean Wotherspoons, which I'm still pissed because I didn't get them. I tried my hardest and I didn't succeed. But anyways, no more teasing. Let's go ahead and see what these look like. Oh, you know what? The leather actually makes them look really nice. Yo, the leather, oh Jesus Christ, feels so smooth. Feels hella smooth. That's what I was telling you, the Air Max 1 outsole. I haven't had a look at an Air Max 90 in a while, so honestly, oh, they got extra laces too? Let's start looking at these. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace bag. There you go. To be honest, with Sean Wotherspoons and this shoe, I'm really starting to like hybrid. The idea of a hybrid. Oh, and the Vapor Max Plus and the Vapor Max 97. You know how Nike's been combining a lot of the old school shoes with like the Vapor Max outsole, and then these, the Sean Wotherspoons. I'm really starting to dig those, especially because again, this one is looking real fire. The leather finish to it gives it another touch to the shoe rather than the suede that we can find on the Air Max 1. But right away, same Nike swoosh kind of cut off over here 3/4 of the way, just like the Air Max 1, and then that's both on the inside and the outside. And then, like I was saying earlier, you do have the midsole, which is the Air Max 90, including the Air Max Bubble. And like I mentioned already, hold up, I got a little confused. You do have the Air Max 1 outsole, or the bottom of the sole, with the patterns going, the waffle pattern over here in the front. You do have a Nike over here, almost halfway through the bottom of your foot, and it's leather throughout the whole upper, except over here by the collar, of course. Once again, it gives it a whole new touch, a whole new look to the shoe, or at least in person. I think the DSLR is kind of messing me up right now because it's not really doing it justice, but it looks really A1 in person. Nike Air branding over here in the heel. Back to the tongue though. The front of the tongue has Nike Air Max branding, but then on the insole, more Nike Air Max. Actually, more Nike Air branding. Let me get that right. There you go. Which, by the way, if you guys haven't seen the Air Max 1 unboxing, I know I keep I know I keep talking about the video. So if you guys haven't watched it, it's gonna be in a card right there right now, or in the link in the description. But now let's go ahead and see how this look on feet. anyways, guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings here in the channel. But yeah, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags. Out.